Hey there, Daniel Lopez here with Success with the Pros, and today we are going to be going over affiliate marketing for beginners. So, as a um, if you've never done affiliate marketing and you're someone who's wanting to start, then you can check out this article here in which we talk about why you want to start with affiliate marketing, what tools basically you're going to need to get started, and nowadays, unlike even several years ago, you can get started basically for free. So this is a huge advantage to two things. You can basically just choose an affiliate program, which there's just almost an infinite amount of products, and then you want to choose one, get your affiliates link, then you'll want to get a website. So for that, I recommend getting a free Groove Pages account from GrooveFunnels, and there's a link on this page here or below this video. You're going to find one, and then you'll want to figure out how do you want to be driving traffic to that page. There's the paid option, which can be it can be great, but it can also be expensive, and if you don't do it right, you can definitely lose a lot of money with that. The option that I recommend for beginners is free affiliate marketing traffic, and again, that also has to be done right. So in order to do that, what I have is a program, an event coming up that you'll want to sign up for. It's a free 7-week training where I'm getting a bunch of underground, successful, basically successful entrepreneurs that have very different ideas that can show you how to get started with different things. And a lot of them are going to involve getting started with a lot of different things, basically without any kind of budget. So you'll want to definitely check that out and see what's right for you. Now, to check it out, we can go to the home page here, and it's going to take you to this page where you can put in your name and email and sign up for that. And what you're going to get as well is going to be a free copy of Barry Plasko's ePassion Formula. This ebook here is great in terms of if you're ever wanting to learn how to run a successful webinar. It's going to have the template flow and what you need to have with it, and how to go through a webinar so that you can engage with the people on the webinar and at the same time increase your sales. So make sure that you put in your name and email and sign up for the 7-week training and get the book, and then you can meet Barry here even and watch his short video where he tells you more about the 7-week program that we're going into. So make sure you do that right now, and then I'll see you after you sign up.